This measurement and data math unit has everything you need to teach the standards in a fun, hands-on way. This unit is aligned with the Kindergarten Common Core standards. Checklists with the standards are included, and they are a helpful tool for both you and parents. Pre- and post assessments that are aligned to the standards are also a valuable tool for you to measure student growth throughout the unit. Adorable anchor charts help students understand the vocabulary. A mini book for students to trace and color coordinates perfectly with the posters. Math centers target the standards using a hands-on approach. Check out our blog post to see every center in action. A link is provided in the description below. Worksheets help students practice the standards in an easy-to-use format. Cut and paste activities also target skills such as collecting data, sorting, and categorizing. Students love to practice graphing. These can be used in so many ways in your classroom. Included are over 70 pages of printable activities to teach your students about measurement and data. Teachers love how organized and easy to use this math unit is. Materials are standards-based and ready to print and use in your classroom. Read the reviews. You will not be disappointed. This measurement and data unit is part of our kindergarten math curriculum. Also available is counting and cardinality, operations and algebraic thinking, geometry, and number and operations in base 10. 5 units target each of the 5 Common Core kindergarten math domains. Save big with the bundle. See the link provided below this video. Additional support is available directly on our website, keepingmykiddobusy.com. Click kindergarten at the top and scroll down to math.